International Peace and Social Advancement (IPSA) today asserted that it is in India's interest to create unrest in Manipur by mobilizing Chin Kuki community against Meitei in order to protect the Kaladan multi-modal project in Chin state of Myanmar. A statement issued by IPSA further maintained that buffer zones have been created since the start of the violent conflict in the state. It further stated that buffer zone and line of control are created between nations. Creating such zones within the state is an attempt to bifurcate the state and to geographically divide the two communities. Meiteis have been forced out of Churachandpur, Kangpokpi and More, and now Kukis are targeting Jiribam district, which is a commercial hub for Manipur and a lifeline. IPSA urged Chief Minister N. Biren to seek a clarification from Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh and DGP Rajiv Singh for their failure to take precautionary actions despite receiving prior intelligence report of influx of 200 to 300 Kuki militants into Jiribam. While questioning the role of Central Security Forces in safeguarding Meitei villagers in Jiribam, IPSA urged both state government and center to act with strength and conviction.